Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Duplin County in eastern North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Olive, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Mount Olive, Cornegay, Bowdens, Butencus, Albertson, Faison, and Calypso. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Duplin, North Carolina,